Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vintage weekend. This is gonna be a very special video because I'll be sharing with you my vintage, thrifted, DIY'd advent calendar that you can see here, that I made with many items that I found during the entire year. So the only item that I got new is the set of all the bags and the stickers with the dates, and all the rest is thrifted and vintage. So every time I went thrifting and found a very small accessory or maybe a little piece of home decor or something that reminded me about Christmas time, I just bought it and put it inside one of these bags, and now I can't even remember what's inside them. So it's gonna be a double surprise when I thrifted it and now that I'm sharing it with you. Today we're gonna open 7 small bags from the 1st to the 7th of December, and then in the next video, well, the others. So without further ado, let's start with the 1st of December. Let me see. Voila! I don't know if you can see it all. The first item is a silk scarf by Loewe that I thrifted at the charity shop for, I think there's still the price, 12 euros. This has been a very good bargain. It's a very good quality silk twill. It is super lightweight, super flowy and soft. Beautiful, beautiful colors that reminded me about Christmas time. I didn't have any other silk scarf from this brand, so this is definitely going to be part of my silk scarves collection. And I put it in the first bag because I wanted to unbox it very soon. So here it is. Where's the second one?
Vuoi pescare tu il numero 2? Vuoi le coccole? Ecco, ma io devo fare il video però.
It's not coming out of the bag. Here it is. It's a Christmas ball made of ceramic, all hand-painted. My mom found it and gave it to me. She knows that I really appreciate Italian ceramics. This is signed by Castelli, so it's definitely an Italian piece, and I will put it on my Christmas tree. The third one. Su. No, dai, non lamentarti. Lo so, saluti i nostri amici. Ciao. Bye. This is very heavy. Because it is a vintage belt. Beautiful, beautiful chain. And it is in mint conditions, so there's no discolorations, there's no silver coming out from under the gold. It's really in good conditions. So if you're going out for a dinner and you have a very simple and plain outfit, you can use a belt like this to jazz it up a little bit, and it really elevates the look. Let's see if it fits. Yeah, it's the perfect size. I am in love with this kind of belts, but I think this is the best one that I've ever found. It's time to find the 4th. This is very strange. It's a clip, a pin, or a clip. I don't know how it is called, but it is made of wood. I don't know exactly what I will use it for, but it was too cool to leave it there, so I got it and put it in the bags, waiting for the right idea. Then I forgot about it, so I still don't have the right idea. Tell me in the comments, what would you use it for? I wait for your suggestions. Let's look for the 5th. Here it is, with the star. I am in love with small trinkets. I've got a personal collection and I also resell them in my online shop. You can find the link down in the description box. This one is made of onyx and the color is very peculiar because I don't know if you can see it, but it is kind of aqua green. It has these dainty flowers with delicate colors. I really love it and yeah, I will add it to my collection. It's getting really dark outside, so I'm gonna be fast. Where's the 6th? Here it is. This is very soft. This is very fun because I really can't remember what's inside. Oh yes, I do remember what's inside. So this is a beautiful pair of vintage gloves. They are dark pink color. I found it this summer, so I put them in the bags and then forgot about them. And they have decorations, kind of flowers. I think they are made of wool. Let me see if they fit. So beautiful. So my husband and I are planning to go to Milan from the 9th to the 11th of December. We're planning to go sightseeing and then vintage shopping and thrifting. And of course I'm going to make many videos there, so if you don't want to miss them, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Yeah, and you will see them there. Next up is the 7th. Here it is. And it is another thing that my mother got for me. You can see that she knows me very well. It's a kind of, how can you call this? Twilly. It's something that you can put on the handle of your bag. I could also wear it like this. What do you think? And it has the A embroidered leather here. As you know, my name is Aurora, so this is my initial. I like it very much and you will see it styled very soon. That was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This will really help my channel to grow. Thank you so much for your support. This really means the world to me. I would be very happy if you'd stick around, so maybe subscribe to my channel. And here's another video suggested for you. It's a very fun one, so I'll see you there. Bye!